This ct5 Cadillac 2021 model. So the driver side door out handle is not functioning well. So but the inner side one is working perfect. And if we want to open the driver side door, we got to follow the passenger side and open it from inside. So and now that handle is electrical, like a sensor rather. So it carries switch. So but the inside one is working perfect, but this outside no open and not function at all. But if you look at this back side, it's working, it's open. The sensor is working perfect. So they bring it for me to fix. So I want to show you guys now how to fix it. These are the tools I use for the door mat: impact tools and extension with 7mm socket. If you have removed this down bolt, the two bolt that is here, and remove one for up here for that handle side, so you're going to need to pull out the door mat because they very hard. So and if you don't pull it out, so you don't open, and be careful to remove it because of the cable, because they very easily to break. And I'm going to press that pin, that clip, before you can remove the cable. And there is two socket wire down there. Make sure you unplug it carefully because of damage. So after remove the door mat, if you come to the side of the door, there's one hole there, one small hole. If you look inside through the hole, you will see the L and K bolt there. So we have to lose that one too before you can remove the door handle.
Okay.